Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a bathroom renovation or just love staying ahead of design curves, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most serene and sophisticated styles out there, Japandi. And more specifically, we're looking at the hottest trends shaping Japandi bathrooms for 2024 and into 2025. For those new to it, Japandi is a beautiful hybrid of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian functionality. Think clean lines, natural materials, and a focus on creating a calm, uncluttered sanctuary. But how is this style evolving? Let's take a look. Trend number 1: hyper-natural textural materials. This is a big one. While Japandi has always embraced nature, we're seeing a move towards even more raw and unprocessed finishes. Think light woods like birch, ash, and pale oak, which bring in that Scandi warmth. But also don't be surprised to see darker, richer woods like cedar or walnut, nodding to Japanese aesthetics, often used as statement pieces or for deeper contrast. Stone is also huge. Marble, granite, and even concrete are being used for floors, countertops, and even entire shower areas. The key is showcasing the natural texture and imperfections, that wabi-sabi, acceptance of beauty in flaws. Trend number 2: evolving color palettes, earthy personalized neutrals. The classic Japandi neutral palette of whites, creams, and light grays is still foundational, but it's getting warmer and more personalized. We're seeing a deeper dive into muted earth tones. These colors complement the natural materials beautifully and add a layer of warmth and character without overwhelming the serene vibe. Accent colors are being used sparingly but intentionally. Think a deep indigo. Accent colors are being used sparingly but intentionally. Think a deep indigo feature tile, a single terracotta vase, or towels in a muted olive green. It's about subtle personal touches rather than bold statements. Matte finishes are definitely preferred over glossy to maintain that soft, calming feel. Trend number 3: functional minimalism, clean lines. This is a core tenet of Japandi, and it continues to be refined. The emphasis is on highly functional spaces that remain utterly uncluttered. Floating vanities are a huge trend. They create a sense of spaciousness and make cleaning a breeze. Storage is clever and often concealed, keeping surfaces clear. Think integrated handles or push-to-open mechanisms. Fixtures are simple, elegant, and highly functional. Clean lines are paramount. We're also seeing more frameless mirrors or mirrors with very simple, thin frames, sometimes backlit to enhance the sense of calm. Trend number 4: artisanal touches, thoughtful imperfection, wabi-sabi. While minimalist, Japandi isn't sterile. There's a growing appreciation for handcrafted items and the beauty of imperfection. Instead of mass-produced items, the trend is towards unique, artisanal pieces that tell a story. This could be locally sourced pottery or a vintage wooden stool. Lighting is becoming more of a feature, but still understated. Think soft, warm lighting, perhaps with fixtures made from natural materials or with organic shapes. The wabi-sabi philosophy encourages embracing items that aren't perfectly symmetrical or have slight imperfections, adding character and authenticity. So, there you have it, the key Japandi bathroom trends for 2024 and looking ahead to 2025. It's all about deepening the connection with nature, embracing warm and personalized minimalism, and prioritizing a sense of calm and well-being. What do you think of these trends? Are you planning to incorporate Japandi style into your bathroom? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design inspiration, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.